Hi, this is Diana again, and I just wanted to show you this card that I made with the papers that I got from Paper Tray Ink, and this was the fall leaf print pack, and that was the 36 sheets of 8 by 8. This here is a belly band that I made from the this is the moss, that one, and I can't remember the color on this green, but the belly band slides off like this, and I used a scallop punch for this here, and this is called a crisscross card. Guess why? It crisscrosses, and it's made with one sheet. This here is made with one sheet of paper. It's cut in half, and then another two patterns for either side here. And there's quite a few videos out on how to make this card, so I'm not going to go into that. But I just wanted to show you what I did with those papers. And if you want to see the card, there are some details to it on my blog. So you could go over to dianamlarson.blogspot.com and see the dimensions and how the size of everything and what I used. And hope to see you soon. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Quick video here. So I guess everyone will be able to take the time to watch a 1.5 minute video. Bye. Have a great day and take care. Bye-bye.